This message is transmitted from NASA. NASA has discovered a sudden growth of Earth. It grows every second without stopping. Also, as the Earth grows, our planet will crash into the planets. And these planets are big and they cause a mass destruction to Earth. You will also feel the temperature from different planets. To survive, you need to get lots of food, water, clothes and radio to hear latest.
Attack warning red. Attack warning red. Earth is about to hit the first planet. Evacuate immediately. Attack warning red. Attack warning red. Attack warning red. Attack warning red.